AngularJS lets you organize data so that it only shows up if it meets certain criteria. It does this through something called filters, and we can use them with our expressions or to modify the information from our models. Now, the easiest way to see how filters work is in expressions. So here I have the names and some descriptions about these authors in a list that's showing up on this page. If I switch over to my HTML, I can easily add a filter to one of these pieces of data by just typing in a pipe character, which is right above one of the slashes on your keyboard, and then typing in something like uppercase. So I'm going to save this, and I'll switch back over to my application and refresh. And you can see that it's modified all this data to now be, of course, uppercase. AngularJS comes with a variety of filters. You can find out more about filters at the AngularJS documentation website. And what you want to do is scroll down and look on the left for a section called filters. You can see that there's filters for currency, date, things like converting to uppercase or lowercase. And there's one here called limit to. We can use that to limit the amount of information that we receive back from our model. So we can also add a filter to this area right here, the repeater that goes through the data. So I'm going to add another pipe here and say something like limit 2 and then 5. That's going to limit the amount of records that we receive to only 5 results. Now, filters are a powerful way to organize information, and like many other things, Angular makes them really easy to implement.